without the interest rate, it's very hard to see that situation. Even some, our motivation. Without interest rate, it's very hard to hike the wages of people. And without some, wage hikes, it's very hard to attract some very brilliant, some, skillfulness some people, actually some from outside of Japan.
The BOJ hike rates recently, what's the likely impact that we can foresee in the markets and whether there are knockdown effects into the economy? What do you foresee?
Once that interest rate rising or coming into the some economy, people need to think about what is the cost and what is the some profit based on the some interest rate levels, and that could give us some very huge some demand and supply for the some all transactions. But without the interest rate, it's very hard to see that situation. Once the Bank of Japan started to hike the interest rate, firstly, some industries getting that beneficiaries, banking industry, financial industry, because they could expand their revenues through their some interest rate activities, especially some on the revenue side. In terms of the FX exchange rates, it's up to some balance between some Japan and other countries, especially the US. Even some Japan started to hike the rate, but the US also some facing a bit some concerns about inflation, so that we couldn't see any some Japanese yen's some appreciations. That gave us some very great some comfortable some situation in Japanese market, stock market, and we experienced a very good some performance in 2024. So far, interest rate giving some energy into the economy in Japan.